Welcome to YouTube Bootcamp.
Hi, I'm Sheri Barbera. Nice to meet you. Now, if you search in your category, you go onto YouTube and you search in your category. As long as it isn't a gamer, as long as it isn't a cat, as long as it isn't some kind of SEO expert, you are probably going to become the next new expert in your category if you follow all of the steps in this YouTube Bootcamp. Because so many people start YouTube channels and that's it. So they start, they lose them, right? They don't know how to use them, or they start, something happens in their life, they stop. And that has happened to me. I've started a YouTube channel, but life got in the way and I wasn't able to be consistent with videos. That happened to me. I started to get viewers and then it stopped. So you have to be consistent. But if you're consistent and you are focused, which is what you're going to be with YouTube Bootcamp, you are going to be able to become the next internet sensation, the next new expert in your specific category in your field. So what are your goals? Your goals are how you're going to use YouTube for your business. That's a goal that you need to figure out. How are you going to use YouTube for your business? Why do you want to use YouTube for your business? And your answer should be like super fast. Like, Sal, why would you use YouTube for your business?
What?
Why would you use YouTube for your business?
To grow my business and make it a better business and to reach millions of people very quickly.
That's good. Mona, why would you use it for your business?
To bring more awareness to the business.
More awareness to your business.
Followers.
And get followers. So what are your goals? How are you going to use YouTube for your business? That's a goal that you need to figure out. How are you going to use YouTube for your business? And your answer should be like super fast.
Post those comments below. If you like this video, please like it, as well as share it, and then subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press the little bell so that you get every single video that's posted. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Sheri Barbera.